Welcome back, viewers. And you ready to smile?
So it has to be a smile?
Yeah, it has to be. Welcome back, viewers and subscribers to Red Button Journal.
Oh.
Today, you're not going to believe what we're going to do. We're going to go to Rowlandsfield.
See I didn't even see that monument there.
They got a monument there, and they got a, see the big green sign, too.
What is on the monument? That it's here a long time.
Something, I don't know.
Maybe to Rowlandsfield, I don't know.
Yeah. So, we're going past the Czech headquarters. We were here just the other day, people. So we're not really here to see the Czech headquarters. Oh, look at that gate. Wow. That's a heavy-duty gate. That was just a frame of a building when we were here the other day.
Yeah,
Look at it. It's already a building. It's already a building.
Yeah, it's done.
It's kind of the free prefab deal, you know?
Look at those pipes.
Yeah. Oh, they really got them stacked up.
These people here.
Really got them stacked up. People. Huh.
They are out working.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there are big tanks too with water. 2 big tanks.
Well, that Czech, they've got a big operation, you know?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't grab it with your hand. That'll make noise. Here, your button is kind of, here, let me slide
Because
down.
when it's driving, it's like something.
Yeah, here, there, how's that? That's better.
And then I don't remember that it's
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
This road is
I'm kind of excited about this drive, people.
This
I've never been up here this way. I've looked at it on satellite. I've looked at it on maps. So, the whole deal here. The whole deal.
I think this place could be a nice living area. 2 sides.
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe.
I'd want to live up a little bit on the slope because down here it could
Looks
get
swampy.
flooded. It
That's
could be
what I'm
swampy.
looking. Yeah.
They got a lot of banana and everything.
But there is a house inside here too.
Yes. And then, you know, this is where we pulled off and set up
Yeah.
the other day when we did our...
This is the entrance to somebody's place.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And maybe it's a big
We got a
house.
hibiscus there but alongside the road, right at the entrance. Let the vines hanging. Ooh, this is so pretty. Oh, look at it. Oh my goodness, people.
Oh, the forest is thick.
Yes. Wow.
Oh, you know that entrance could be to that big house that I'm looking on. There is 2 houses that I was looking at.
Mm-hmm.
The biggest one, the bigger house. Maybe that road, that entrance leads to that house.
People were driving up into the Blue Mountains. This is the easternmost part of the Blue Mountains. If you get over into Portland, then I think it's the John Crow, but on this side I think it's just the Blue. According to everything I could find online, I don't really know. I just did a little research before the trip here. But this is just...
One time,
This is just a jungle, you know?
When I was in my teen, we drove here to Hector's River. Through this
Came
way.
this way.
Yeah, we came this way, yeah. So there's supposed to be so much changes now from that time, you know?
Of course. Well, changes, but yet not changes, you know?
Yeah, because this place change very slow. This kind of area, you know?
Yeah, this type of area. Wow.
But I don't even remember what it was like. But I just remember that we drove this way to Hector's River.
People, this is just the jungle. This is the jungle. It really is, you know?
Yeah.
And I'm guessing it'll become more and more jungle
You
the
think
farther
so?
north we go. Sure, because it's going to get more rain the farther north we
There was a
go.
house there.
Oh, look at that.
That's a long time house.
Looks abandoned now.
Yeah.
But look at the landscaping along the side of the road here.
Yeah. It's
like somebody planted that.
Yeah. Yes.
Like that's somebody's land over there, and they specifically
mark
it up, planted it up.
Because there's a lot of fruit tree down there too.
Yeah. Well, people.
Although fruit tree grow wild too, you know.
Yeah, that's true. But it doesn't hurt to plant them. You know, it helps. But people, if you like the rural countryside, the sheer beauty of it, you are absolutely going to love this video.
And the road is not too bad either.
No, this road is good so far.
Yeah.
We don't know what it's going to be like. I mean, eventually, I think my plan today, and I don't know the plans of mice and men, you know. My plan is to go up into Rowlandsfield and kind of take a few of the roads around Rowlandsfield, see what's about, maybe see some of the views of the valley from up there. But then go on over to Hector's River and hopefully the road over that way is as good as is. I mean,
it's cool.
Some people are going to see this road as no good, you know. Say, oh, this is...
But look, it's a forest.
It's a what?
Forest.
So, I don't understand what...
What is a forest?
Oh, this is a forest. Yes,
Yeah,
it is.
yeah.
It's a forest.
So what did you understand? I say it's a forest. So
I thought you said it's a foreign. I didn't...
You see? So what kind of road could you expect to have in the forest? You know, this is a good road.
Wow. This is just so neat.
Yeah.
I mean, it just... I don't know. If this doesn't capture your imagination,
You know?
your Jungle Book spirit, whatever you want to call it, people.
Because you have all those things. What is that?
The vines, the Tarzan vines.
The Tarzan vines. Look at them.
Yeah,
So
see the
some-
Tarzan vines, people?
Hanging on in the road.
Uh-huh. Wow.
So you have one side, it's a mountain. The other sides, it's a like gully, deep gullies.
Yeah. It's just sheer rock on this left side.
Yeah. And the roots of the tree.
The roots growing out of the rock.
Yeah.
And there's a guy behind me may want to go. I don't. Somebody's property there. Mm-hmm.
Is the ocean we're looking at?
Yeah, it seems
the
like we can
ocean.
see the ocean through there.
Yeah. So we're near to the ocean.
Yeah.
What is on this side?
Well,
bend.
Where we live is near the ocean, but you don't see it because we're not up high.
No.
So all you got to do is get up high. You know, and then...
Yeah.
Woo! See that through there, people? We're in St. Thomas, very eastern, rural, mountainous, going to Rowlandsfield.
You know, over this side here look nice to make houses. Like, you know, although it would take money.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Making houses would take money. That's for sure.
But you could make some nice house.
Wow. Turn the air conditioning fan down a little bit. It's cool enough.
Yes, that's cool because
It's cool. We're in the shade.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that gate there. No trespassing.
Somebody's place.
Somebody's place up in there. Uh-huh.
It could be a house over there too.
Well, you were talking about, you know, this would be a nice place to build houses.
Of course.
Well, see, some people do. Some people do see these roads here leads to go to different private residence.
See.
Wow. Living in the forest,
Yeah,
the
but-
jungle, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah, but I would want to live in forest.
You wouldn't? Look at the bamboo.
Oh, look at this gully. Gee, it's so
Yeah.
deep over here.
Yes.
Yeah, you would want to live in a area like this? Unless you want to live like off the grid.
Well, you were saying back there was a good place for a house, so I don't know.
Yeah, but no, but if it's developed, not one house.
Oh, I
Yeah.
see. Well, now look at this here. What's this?
Look, I don't know. Is a buck? It's no, they mark it because it could be dangerous. It's
There was a drop.
And so it dug out. It's dug out. Yeah.
Or washed out.
Yeah.
Washed out or dug out. Woo wee.
Whoa. I didn't even.
We haven't taken a journey like this for a while. Or maybe we didn't ever really take a journey like what we're doing today.
This is like going Castle. Castle.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like Erie Castle, but this is way bigger.
Yeah.
And when we did,
Whoa, it's deep.
when we went over,
It is so deep. Yeah.
when we went up to Newcastle.
Okay.
When we went up to Newcastle and
Yeah,
went
yes.
over the mount. Oh, went up over the Blue Mountains.
Yes.
That way, down into Buff Bay.
Yeah. See another place that somebody marked.
Yeah, when we went into Buff Bay that time,
You see?
that was like this. But we didn't video that,
You
people.
see the road.
Oh yes.
Whoa.
Well, you don't want to drop in there because your whole car is going to drop.
Huh. You mean your whole self and the vehicle gonna
Car and all. Well, I tipped the camera slightly back to my normal settings,
see another part they mark here.
and it
too.
makes me wish I had them down a little bit. But I never know what I'm going to get, people.
I just imagine when rain fall because you can see that there's a water catchment area, like River course.
Look at this here. Oh, this is a little bridge or something here, maybe? Yes, this is a little bridge here that we cross. Look at how deep it is over there. People, I don't know that you could actually see down in there.
You can imagine when rain falling because you can see that water.
Look at this. Let's say stay clear here.
Yeah. Whoa, the road is tearing down.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's too bad. Even if I had my camera set down, you couldn't see that. So I need to quit worrying about such things and just enjoy. We're getting on top of Jamaica. Although,
that's a nice house over there. They have a nice house there.
oh yes, look at that! Wow,
What is that? Is somebody?
that's a tomb.
So they make it like
Somebody-
a house?
They made it like it matches this house over here.
Yeah, it look like
It does. It matches this house to
Yeah.
the right.
Yes.
So whoever's buried there used to live in that house. That would be my guess. Oh, look at this. This is pretty.
Look at this, the big house too.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yes.
Oh.
Okay.
And look at this.
Okay.
Look
Look
at
at
this.
this
Look
home.
at this house, and it have a good view.
Beautiful. Look at the view. Oh, look at the view. Oh, my goodness.
Look at a very nice view. Wow.
Ah, look at that view, people. See it? You can see the lighthouse if you look real close, if you know where to look. See it?
Yes, I see the lighthouse. Yes.
mhm.
Kind of hazy, but I see.
Yeah, it's kind of hazy down there. Well, the Saharan dust is coming
Going
in.
on. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, you can really see the valley down there. Wow.
People,
Okay.
it's quite comfortable to live here. Oh, that's what.
Oh my goodness. Oh my
Yeah,
goodness.
yeah.
This would be an amazing view to live here. Oh man.
Up here, look just like any other community, rural community.
Yeah.
I didn't expect to see.
Look at this. Well, there's some serious building going on here. This house, nice mature landscape. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful landscaping there in that house. Oh, wow.
Building.
Just.
Look, it's a nice house to send in a nice house right there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that house. What is it? A style or something.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this house.
Wow, that's a huge home there.
Yeah. I didn't expect to see.
I didn't know there was. I didn't expect to see. You know, such a nice, established community up here.
Yeah.
I thought it'd be just more. You know.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's really something.
Yeah.
Really something.
It looked better than when we went to Pearch River Arcade. I don't remember which one. Where that lady was going to church and she asked us for money to use for and they're working on the house there.
Now, someplace there's a way to kind of loop back to some other houses that I thought I might take, but I'm gonna have to stop and look at my map to see about that. But I don't see any turnoffs yet, so there's a lot more town to come, it seems.
It's a big area. They have nice houses.
Oh, we were talking about their little
Big nice houses.
little shop. I mean, their little shop, their little road here. The road's a little rougher here. Wow.
They have roosters here and mother hens.
That let me see if that's one of the roads there. I was thinking.
That would look.
No, that's not it. Well, there's just a lot of town yet.
Huh?
It looks like this town is not a small town. It's a good sized town.
Oh. That's where my mother eldest brother was living until he died. Calvin.
Okay.
And
Well, the one man that helped with the yard the one time lives up here.
yeah,
And he said, "Oh, you're related." And I don't remember. Was that
That's
that's the connection? Look at the mango tree here.
yeah. So my uncle has land up here, and he passed, and then one of his daughter was living on it, and she died the other day. Remember, somebody died again.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yeah. It was, I think, maybe I don't know. Is either his eldest daughter or the second eldest.
Oh, over here to the right, I could. Oh, well, hopefully we'll get to some nice openings up here. We can kind of see out because, you know, what you see here, people, is beautiful. But every once in a while you get a glimpse of up through the trees, and you see for miles.
Yeah.
So Madge has got family here.
But I don't know where. It doesn't
Yeah,
make
no, I
sense.
know.
Because he said when we were coming,
He said
Yeah.
let him know, and he'd show us around. But
and let us meet family.
yeah. But
it's a big
we
house.
didn't. We kept putting that off and never got around to it. So here we are, and
And then one of the persons that I was to meet, she passed.
okay.
And there was a lot of nice house up here. Look at that house over there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, is somebody drawing the house? You see somebody picture?
Mm-hmm. Oh, in memory of.
And they're drawing on the house.
Well,
Huh.
maybe that's their. Maybe they entombed him in the house. Maybe that's become a tomb.
I don't think so. That could
Oh, okay. Well,
I've never heard that. Oh, gee. like an Indian royal person. Oh, you know, my uncle too, some of his children, they are half Indian. He has with an Indian lady.
I'm worried about that button there, rubbing on that microphone. I guess if it's rubbing and making noise, it's rubbing and making noise.
You hear the noise?
No, I can't hear it. I don't have anything hooked up to hear it. When I do everything, later, that's when I'll know.
So why did you fix it under 2000?
I'm gonna adjust that here because I'm gonna bring it down a little bit. Or maybe bring it. I don't know. There, maybe that's better. I just don't want the button rubbing on the microphone, because it'll make a lot of noise if it does. It'll be worthless audio. So, I got my new microphones, people. You see them? See them? And hopefully we have better audio now. You'll be able to really hear us nicely. And by having Madge have her own, it makes it so that her voice will pick up better. Because before, since I'm taller and where we had the microphone, so we only had a single microphone we had to share. And I was always closer to it. But now, we'll each have our own microphone and we'll be the same distance. So, I want to thank you guys for your support that made it so we can do a little investment to make the channel a little better. Because we know it's important that you hear what we have to say, even if it is just chatty chat, Oh, look at the view. Look at the view down there.
We are looking... Is it Duck and Seal? Where are we looking?
That must be a Golden Grove? I don't know where that is.
Either Duck and Seal.
That must be Duckensfield.
Yeah.
That's Duckensfield.
Oh, they have good view here. Oh, that was so the house over there that was. Yeah.
All right, let me see here. I think. Oh, that's just. Oh, I don't see that road on the map really.
What's up there?
Just a little local road. When you stay on the main road.
See.
Oh, it just dead ends right there, doesn't it?
No, it goes.
It goes down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because sometimes you don't have it on the map, but it's a road. They're working on this one now.
Oh, yeah.
And it looked like they didn't work on it for years because...
If I had a piece of tape, I'd tape that button down. Look at the tomb down there with the truck on it. See it?
Okay, remember in Alexander Park, we saw, I don't know if it's a burial place or something, with a truck on it, like a little child's truck. But it was at the front of the road. And it was concrete, just like how that truck was concrete down that you cannot move it. So maybe that person was a lover of truck and a truck driver. I don't know. That's a nice house up there.
He's probably a truck driver. And he may have even lost his life on the road, too.
Yeah.
But, he was well known, maybe. He was very skilled. He loved his job. Hard-working person.
Yeah.
They lose their life or get old and die.
Yeah.
And what better way to memorialize them than to what they were best known for,
Yeah. Or what they loved.
What they loved, yeah. With you and me, they'll have us with a camera in our car, our Subaru. They'll put a Subaru on our tomb. You think?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We'd have to maybe let them know because they wouldn't think.
They wouldn't think of that? Put our Subaru on there?
Maybe.
Wonder we get some...
But if we tell them, it will be better.
I wonder if we get some...
Oh, they're doing the burial, that Golden Grove, putting the people's...
Putting the people's picture. I wonder if we could...
Wonder if
I may lose.
What?
I may lose my map up here without signal.
Oh.
I'm gonna have to see how that goes. I maybe need to download something. Rowlandsfield Primary and Infant School.
It's that way.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. You can't even see it.
See, this town just goes on and on and on and on and on. Look at it.
So it have its own school. It's a big area.
Yeah.
Churches, a two church now I pass.
Yeah, it's a big area, and it just follows this road. It just goes and goes and goes.
And there may be a few turnoffs here. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I think so.
Seventh-day Adventist Church. Oh, you have to go way up that step to go to the church. Whoa, step way up.
I love all the painting on stuff.
Rowlandsfield Health Center. See, they have their own health center.
Well, they got their own health center.
Wow. Because they're so, away from everywhere, And then maybe you go up this lane, you find some houses.
Yes. Oh, that's a nice home. That's big. Look at that.
Yeah.
Wow.
I don't like the color though.
I don't either, but it's big.
Yeah.
It's big color. No, they got a little piece of road that's redone right here. I don't know what that guy was doing that about. See him holding his arms out like, what's going on?
Oh,
Yeah, maybe that's your cousin.
holding his what?
Holding his arms out like, what's going on?
Oh.
Okay, people, it's going to be a interesting drive, but we're going to do it.
See a house in here, so it's like an uncle.
Wow.
Chocolate. I say something else is all done over there. So.
Well, the town's still going.
Yeah.
Just going and going and going.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, look.
I see a big house over there, so.
Oh, we're going to switch back and go past all this.
Oh. Okay. The road is very curvaceous.
Yeah.
Curvy.
Well, it has to be because...
Winding road.
Yes. The road just follows the land.
Yeah.
It's not like a big road. It's like
There's
the
a
ones
school
that...
over there, so that's a school. And this is a church. So there are a lot of church up here because about 44 church this house. So, these people don't really have to onions. Maybe they plant onions.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a bag of onions.
You got a bag of onions.
Yeah. maybe these people don't have to go to like Martin so often, only every now and then they might, you know, because they try to have everything.
This guy's got his own car here, see?
Mm.
And this one over here's got his own car.
We pass many other houses with their own car too.
Yeah. You know, if you live up here, I mean, I'm sure they have taxi service, but...
This one's a sign. Let me see, slow down, Nick.
Collectorate.
Office 5.
Yeah. Wow. Well, what a something, huh, sweetie?
Yeah. Yeah. You know, this place is so near to me, but yet still, it's the second time I'm coming here. You know?
There, now your button laying flat. That
don't-
button wants to lay on its side and rub up against that microphone.
You know, more time, if you don't have any occasion at a place, you know, you're not just gonna go there like that, you know. Just go there, random. And it's out of the way, it's not on the main. Get bad here.
Yeah, bad road here. I just take my time and I'll watch the road and you watch the scenery and
you have everything here like water, light, you know.
Oh, look it up here. Look at the
Yeah.
I'm just waiting and waiting and waiting for a big break in the trees. Because I know one's got to be coming and we're going to have a view that is to die for. I want to go chop down some of these trees so I can see that view.
And you know, it's somebody's place. And they allow it to be.
Look, I bet that view from up at that house is something just to behold.
Yeah. But they have the light on. So I see some big houses too in the bushes over there.
Oh yeah.
Big houses.
See, we're really still in Rowlandsfield because Rowlandsfield.
Yeah.
Rowlandsfield.
Yeah.
We're still there because there's still houses, you know, along the road. And well, there's one back up there I didn't even see.
And look at the houses building something down
The road goes down there. In the distance through the trees, you can see the ocean.
That house there.
Imagine the view from their roof on their deck.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. And they park the car right down there, so.
Yeah. Okay, here. Wow. This is just so exotic, you know? The grass, look at the grass growing on this rock.
What they call it, mat grass? Maybe some nice house.
It seemed like a nice house going to be up in there, maybe.
Yeah.
Just the gate is all you can really see. Yep.
So why they put that bag over the pole? You see that bag cut cover over that pole?
Oh. I don't know.
It's somebody's private pole, like they bought the pole, put their meter on it. And they don't want when rain fall, the water to soak, maybe for that, for over there. It's a shop.
Yeah.
So they cover it.
Yeah. All these little side roads that go to just some lovely little house or whatever,
Yeah.
and little farm and gardens, and makes you just want to know what's down them, but I don't want to go down them and get onto somebody's private property or get in a place that I can't turn around very well, or it's not really made for cars. It's made just for people walking down their lane, What a journey, huh? What a journey. We are an adventurous couple.
Yeah, look, that's a nice house building up there.
Oh, you know what I was going to do on this video? I was going to introduce us. I'm Tom, and this is Madge. For our if you're new here to the channel, thanks for joining us. Be sure and subscribe and watch some of our videos and thanks for liking our content. Be sure and like and leave us a comment. If you're new to the channel, let us know. I love to read that. Oh, I've got a new subscriber. I'm new to your channel. Or if you've never left a comment, jump on there and say something. Say, oh, I've been watching you for a while and decided to comment. Say, I really enjoyed that little drive. Wow. What a something, sweetie. What a something.
Yeah,
Oh, look at the pumpkin growing on the hillside there. Oh, wow. Look at this road.
Pumpkin patch.
Look at this road.
It's just narrow, one vehicle.
Uh-huh. Yeah, you can't. If you meet somebody's backing up.
Yeah, somebody have to back up.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Look at that, people.
Look at that, yeah. I don't even know where is that. It's maybe on the Portland.
I'm not sure.
I don't think it's Infamous. I think it's Portland.
It could be.
Yeah. Old where Happy Grove High School is
Mm-hmm.
Hector's River.
That's where we'll come out, it's Happy Grove.
Yeah. It's like out that way.
Well, assuming we can get through. Right now, I'm hoping we can. It seems like we can.
This hibiscus.
Look at that.
I want a plant
Yes.
of hibiscus when I'm ready.
A house down in there.
Yeah.
A house down there you can't even see.
Yeah.
Wow.
Houses down there.
There's a house down in here too.
It's like a good little side house too.
Mm-hmm. Nice hibiscus here along the road.
They have pimento trees in the front of the yard.
Mm-hmm.
pear look too.
That cocoa?
No, that's scratch cocoa. That's a scratch cocoa.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, is that the one that you eat? That one, if like rain falling hard, you should the leaves catch you. Oh, it will scratch you. That thing that come out scratch you so bad.
This is Haining St. Thomas.
Oh,
Haining St. Thomas is where we're at, people.
so this is Portland thing. Haining is.
Haining St. Thomas, not Portland.
Oh, Haining is.
It's
Haining.
St. Thomas.
You know, last night this word coming to my mind, Haining, and I'm saying because I used to hear my father talk about Haining.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, and I was trying to think, where is Haining?
Well,
I don't know where it is, so
now
this
you know.
is Haining. Okay.
And you were just thinking, it just came to your mind last night.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, when I'm out there sitting, you were in the bed, and it came into my mind, and I'm wondering where it is. Because I said, but I used to hear my father talk about Haining. Oh, I know it's Haining. Oh, I didn't even see the name. Oh, my father.
Look at this little bridge. Oh, there's water going down here.
Yeah, the water.
Wow.
Yeah. This place is somewhere that my father used to tread. Yeah. Oh, this was a house. But I think the first child that he got, it was the person I think maybe was living here in Haining.
Well, people, when you're listening to this, I guess you'll know at the same time I know how the new microphones are working, and maybe hooking them on the seatbelt is not a bad idea because seatbelt's moving, but it's really kind of a perfect place as far as how far it is from our mouth to where we both get really good audio sound. So
and this was a house also. Oh, it's a tank, water tank. Haining. So I think after Haining now you're gonna go to Portland. And when you finish Haining, I think so.
And this is more of Haining. This is more of Haining here. Yeah. It's not just some small little place. Oh, look at this. See? Oh, it's a nice little place here.
What is the name of this church? Ebenezer.
Haining District, Portland. Now it says, back there it said St. Thomas, now it says Portland.
Oh, because I was thinking it was Portland, but maybe part of it is Portland and part
I'm wondering if
maybe part of it is Portland.
where we just crossed that river back there, maybe.
Maybe it's about.
That was the Hector River.
Oh.
That was the Hector's River we just crossed back there. So
when we were looking across, and I'm saying that looked like Hector's River. What where Happy Grove School is.
yeah, maybe.
So maybe I was right.
Yeah.
So when I said Haining is Portland, I was not too wrong. Because in my mind, I think Haining was Portland, but maybe part of it is Portland and part is St. Thomas.
Yeah. This map doesn't have a very good divider for the parishes.
Yeah.
Like Google Maps.
Okay.
But at some point I'll pull up on Google Maps and take a look.
Yeah.
After the fact, and just so we know.
Yeah.
Look at this here.
Oh, just look like a nice place.
Yes, it's just like, look at all the palm trees.
Those coconut trees.
Those are coconut trees.
Yeah.
Okay.
And nutmeg. There's a nutmeg tree with some nutmeg on it. That's
Oh, okay.
That's
I see
a
'em.
nutmeg tree. If you open the pod, the nutmeg inside.
Wow. Oh, wow. Oh,
This is
the
a
little
goat
goat.
who got
The
injured.
little goat got his foot hurt. windy road.
Yeah. That's pimento tree. This one here.
Look at the view there, sweetie.
Yeah.
Look how the ocean, where it reflects from the clouds, makes it look brown instead of...
Yeah. Someone used to live here.
Instead of blue.
You see, notice that there's steps. Like a house was there.
Oh, yeah, I see.
And you see, like, it was a big house, too. So that's a pimento tree, this one right here. It's a spice tree. You get the berries and the leaves, every part of it. Oh, there's a lot of pimento tree. Here is one at the roadside. Here is one. See this one. If you know, I like pimento. I catch some. I want to take it home. If I can reach it and break off from them, I'll take it home.
That's
I like
pimento right there.
Yeah, pimento is on it too.
I see no, I don't see, but I mean, I see the leaves.
It's pimento.
The long skinny leaf, or not really skinny, but...
It's pimento.
Yeah.
Here's another one. Oh, they have a lot up here. Here's another pimento tree. You see the wood of it is so tough. And for the jerk pork, it's nice seasoning.
Oh, look how it doesn't... It's like it doesn't have bark on it.
It's really tough.
See how it looks like it doesn't have bark? Oh, look at the...
If I... Oh, there's pimento all over. There's another tree there. I could get a branch. There's a big one, but if it's low enough where I can get a branch.
Well, looks like people have already got branches.
Oh,
I don't know how you're going to reach it. You're going to have to climb the tree, and I know...
There are so many pimento trees. See a big one pimento tree here?
Look at that one's huge.
Yeah.
That's a huge one.
Yeah.
It's like they don't have bark on them or something.
I think maybe they have bark, but it's thin.
But it looks real white, like it doesn't look rough.
Yeah. It is very tough, that's all I know. They would have tough. There's a lot of pimento up here. Wow.
That yellow flower, is that hibiscus?
No. No.
No, okay. I don't even know what that is. Yeah. Oh, it's something that starts with an A. I've heard somebody call it that before. Yeah, I think I heard. Viewers and subscribers, if you know what that yellow flower was back there, let us know. Now these are hibiscus. Those
those are hibiscus. Yeah.
Those reddish colored ones.
Yeah. Oh, there's pimento tree before us again. Pimento tree all over the place. Pimento tree. Wow, there is so many pimento tree. There is so much pimento tree. Look at this pimento tree there. I know these trees are old, you know. Look at the roots. Well, as you say,
you see, like the bark kind of like stripped
off.
It
just yeah. Like it just strips itself. It is thin. And after maybe a certain age, it kind of strips off. Pimento tree. Wow. Look how this one is big. Look how... There are so many pimento trees. There is a monument right here, but I don't see anything right on it. Nothing right on it.
Yeah.
This is a guinea tree, but it has no guinea on it.
And then that's a breadfruit.
Yeah.
Breadfruit tree.
You know, some of these places where you see these hibiscus and stuff plant, people used to live there before and then no one lived there. Pimento tree again.
Lots of pimento in here, huh?
Yeah. If I could get one, you know, that is low enough where I can break a limb. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, look at the size of that one.
Whoa, you know.
That thing is huge.
So
look at it.
It seems like they used to grow pimento here I don't know. Because there was like, you had some place that used to buy the berries by the pound. Maybe still they have somewhere that do that. Buy the berries.
And then they use the wood for the
And the wood for the
jerk centers. And
But
stuff.
you can't be using pimento all the time for jerk. Then you have other things because you will.
Other hardwood. Look at how. Oh, this is.
Because then you would done the pimento trees. Then there would come a time when you don't have no more pimento.
Yeah, that's right.
So
That's
you
right.
can't be just
You can't just
It's a pimento tree.
pimento here. Yeah.
Pimento. Important spice that, you know.
Pumpkin?
No, these?
Yeah.
No.
What is that?
Yes, those are some shrubs. I
Just
think.
some shrubs. That's not pumpkin. Okay.
Pumpkin don't grow up. I like those.
That's true. That's true. Yeah.
They run. They are vines.
They're a vine. People, if you're going to do this drive, know that you have to have patience, because if you don't have patience, you try to go in a hurry here, you're going to get a puncture on your tire and split out your sidewall. And you're going to be so embarrassed when you go to the bottom of the hill and you have that little tiny donut, as they call it, on your car tire. You know, and they make the hub, instead of making the hub like match all the others, they make it some funny color, you know, orange or yellow. I forget what.
But we
color.
don't have a small one too?
Huh?
We have a small one?
Ours is small in this area.
Because I remember we had, and it looks so funny.
Oh, it looks funny. It's embarrassing.
Yeah.
It's embarrassing going down the road with that. I don't know why. I mean, it just, you know, but it is. Huh?
There are so many pimento trees here, you know? So many.
Mm-hmm.
So many pimento trees. About how long we have been driving?
Well, recording's been going 56 minutes, but you know, we started before we actually start because I have to do all the sync and everything. So it'll be a nice long video, people. Hopefully you all really enjoy this. It'll be a good long video.
Maybe there might be some viewers, subscribers.
People won't like it.
Who were no. What if like someone who was born and growing this year?
Those are the people who really love this sort of stuff. Yes.
They're gonna like
Yes.
it.
Oh, of course. And there's a lot of diaspora.
Yeah.
Oh, see the mongoose.
Mongoose. Yeah, everywhere.
Yeah. It's a relaxing drive just going slow like this, you know.
And I can bet you have a lot of diaspora from here, you know, leave a long time ago.
Yes.
Maybe not didn't even return.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is on this sign now?
Hector's River Alliance. Alliance of
Industry.
for Coconut Industry Development and Enhancement. Huh.
For Kirkland coconut. Okay. But I don't see any coconut.
I don't either.
I just coconut industry. Wow.
Yeah.
Mm.
You got to choose your spot here.
Yeah.
You got to choose
At
your
least
spot.
you have choice.
That's true. Oh, I thought I was pressing on my gas. I was pressing on my brake. I was like, why is the car stalling? Ooh, that's another coconut industry.
So at one time maybe there was a coconut in because
Well, there could be back in, you know, some of these
somewhere,
side
yeah,
roads.
that's
There's
true,
a lot
yeah.
of little roads and
that's
stuff.
true.
Like down there, see?
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. Sometimes you can see on the map,
Yeah.
like whether you'll see groves, because you'll see you can on the satellite you can see that there's a certain grove of something in,
Yeah.
and it could well be coconut. Oh, look down there. Big farm there.
Yeah.
Was it banana?
Yeah, banana.
Mm-hmm. They're just getting it started. You just yeah.
Some cocoa. You can
Oh,
look
that-
at that cocoa and see this. It's different. The leaves, you look at the color and the color. The one that the scratch cocoa. The scratch cocoa.
Mm-hmm.
The cocoa.
So
that-
you don't actually eat the scotch.
No, look at it. The leaves, the color of it is different. The looks is different from the one that you eat.
Mm-hmm.
The one that you eat down here.
Yeah.
It's different. It's a lighter green.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well, this is quite a drive. Oh, there's a building up here.
Yeah.
See it?
Yeah, I see it.
Mm-hmm.
Bird top.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a big house too.
Yeah. Oh, there's some more up in front of us too.
And these white, yeah, what? They put the steel through it and then put
Mm-hmm.
to it marking
Put
there.
concrete and steel inside of the in the
Yeah.
3-inch pipe
Marking their boundaries.
or 4-inch or whatever that is.
Yeah.
I don't know. I can't.
Look like 4-inch.
Yeah.
Marking boundaries.
Mm-hmm.
Short point in road. Short point. Which road we're supposed to take?
Well, let me look there.
You know, I would think more it's this one though.
No.
Huh?
Uh-uh.
Is it over there?
No.
Oh, so short point in road. That's around here.
Mm-hmm. We'll go this way.
So other people,
See, we're nearly into Seaview.
yeah, okay.
Or no, what's it called?
Belcastle.
Belcastle. We're nearly into Belcastle, people.
So people around here follow this kind of because see more people have the same concrete with that the steel in it.
Oh, yes, they kind of follow that pattern. Yeah.
Yeah. Because that works.
Oh, that's a big home there. Look at that. Wow. All right, let me look here again, make sure I'm taking the right way. Yeah, I think I am. I'm in Seaside, Belcastle, whatever. I said Seaview, I meant Seaside.
Seaview in Kingston.
Except Seaside, I think, it shows it on the map as being up in here, but I think it's really the one that's more down by the road.
Seaview, look at that person. You see? Oh, that person, look what? Look like somebody with a mental problem.
Maybe.
Or somebody, maybe not. Just talking on the phone to somebody about something. And they're mad about it.
Yeah. We made it. It's Belcastle, people. We made it. Wow. Exciting stuff.
Seems like we drive come down here, sorry, when we
I don't know if we came this far when we drove that day.
It looked to me like we come down here. I don't know. When we were trying to find our way and last nowhere. With this avocado. Yeah, man. Remember these all this grave here? Yeah. When somebody was directing us how to drive to get out. To get where we were going. I don't remember. But we come here. Yeah.
Welcome to
Yeah, we come here.
Stewart Town. Welcome to Scott's Run. Stewart Town, Haining.
Yeah.
Oh, that's where we just came.
Yeah.
Stewart
Yeah, we
Town,
came here,
Haining.
man. I remember.
Yeah.
We came here. We came down from
Remember
over
there
that
were
side and
Remember there was there was some white people here,
yes. I remember.
tourists, and there was a bunch of kids and stuff sitting here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're back. We're back in familiar territory, people. Yeah. Now we got something to talk about again.
Yeah.
We were pretty quiet there for a while.
I remember that the yam that I wanted to buy and we didn't come back to buy it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Remember the man
Somebody-
had him on his car?
No, not the one on the car. One man that was sitting at a shop. It's not
Oh.
plenty. He had just a few little pieces of yam.
Okay.
And we did end up didn't come back up here because I didn't want to bother to drive come up here back.
Yeah.
For it, yeah. But then because we were recording, we didn't want to stop.
Mm-hmm.
Come to this place. Yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
Bell
okay.
Castle. I don't even have to look at the map. I know where to turn here. Because we're familiar territory. Back there will take you back to the
Yep.
Bell Castle School and church and all that.
Yeah.
And this will take you down to Happy Grove. You know, and we did this before. My one camera wasn't running. So hopefully they're running today.
Yeah.
And hopefully our microphones are working well, and you're hearing us loud and clear, and the seatbelt attachment for the mic wasn't a bad idea. But I tested it at home the night before last, and it seemed like they were going to work really well, but I couldn't test it on Madge, and I couldn't test it with, you know, with the road making it our seatbelt slide around.
I was thinking that we drove through this road here.
We did.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I come out here and when we saw that man that ride on the bike that sells stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. When we come out, as we come
We
out
might see him
somewhere.
today.
Yeah.
We might see him today, you know.
Yeah.
Now I remember.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there were some nice houses through that place.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Because we were doing a housing tour then. Today we're not really. I mean, we're seeing houses.
Yeah.
So it's kind of a housing tour, but more it's just a drive.
Scenery. Scenery.
You know, I've been wanting to do the Rowlandsfield Drive, and we've done it, people. We did our Rowlandsfield Drive over the mountain and down again. We'll soon be back to the sea.
Oh, they're gonna do something here, so it seems. You see?
Oh, yes. Somebody's. Oh, look at them. They got a big.
Something is gonna happen.
Mm-hmm.
Red fruit.
Okay. There's the ocean, people. From one sea to the next. From one side of the island to the next side. Although where we started wasn't really the other side of the island. It was more. Well, it was where I wanted to go, because the other day when we were doing our road construction video and we saw that, I just knew this is what we wanted to do, you know.
It's clarity why maybe you decided so fast, because you saw clarity.
No, mostly it was because, well, yeah, he encouraged us, of course, but a lot of it was because I saw
This is Happy Grove.
This is Happy Grove School, the backside.
The backside of it.
And most of it is because I saw that road going up there with all those vines hanging down, and it just looked so enticing for a drive the way we like to go.
Big it is. It's big.
It's a big school.
Yeah. But when you're in the front there, you don't see.
Mm-mm. Well, that's a big parking area there.
Sellers. Lush School.
Yep. Well, we made it, people. We made it.
It's a nice little drive, you know.
Yeah. So now I need to find a place to unhook everything, you know, or change batteries or whatever. So people, thanks for joining us at Red Button Journal on our big, long adventure across the mountain.
That's where you're gonna.
Hmm?
You're gonna stop here to do it.
You can go down here this way.
I wonder if you can drive in right up there. So.
Huh?
Right down there, so like drive.
Yeah, we'll see. So thanks for joining us, people. Be sure and like and subscribe and leave us a comment.
Right in.
Mm-hmm. Big up yourself and bless up yourself, and later and
Amen.
amen.
So
Woohoo, we
over
made
an hour,
it.
right?
Huh?
Over an hour.
Yes, it's gonna be a nice one.